Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, you probably would want to sign out of your iCloud. As you can see, I'm already signed out, so I don't have to, but simply just tap on it on your account, and at the bottom you'll have sign out. And once you provide your password, it will log out of it. And once you have done that, from there you can go to General, scroll down to Reset, and then erase all content and settings. And from there, provide your passcode, erase iPhone, and do it once more, and it will begin the process. Now this will probably take like 5 minutes or so, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, then you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.